Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today on this YouTube channel Fame World Educational Hub, you are watching the series of Android operating system, and the series of Android operating system will be taught by Danish sir.
Hello everyone. So here comes the first video of Android. Today we'll be studying only about the history of Android. So Android is an operating system which is based on Linux kernel. It was designed by Andy Rubin, who is known as the father of Android. He was working in an Apple company. After that, he joined four members, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, Chris White, and himself, to form an operating system which later to be known as Android. Android is an open source platform and operating system for mobile devices, which means it it can be downloaded from anywhere across the world, unlike Apple. Android is based on Linux kernel 3.6. After Andy Rubin designed Android, he sold it to Google, and later OHA Open Handset Alliance allowed writing managed code in Java languages. After that, Google purchased initial developer of the software in 2005. This Android has its own virtual machine called Dalvik Virtual Machine, which is used to execute Android apps. About OHA. OHA is also known as Open Handset Alliance. It is a firm of firms to develop open standards for mobile devices. It includes major firms like HTC, Sony, Dell, Intel, Motorola, Qualcomm, Samsung, LG, and many others. OHA was established on 5 November 2007, led by Google with 34 members, including mobile headset makers, application developers, some mobile carriers, and chip makers. Android was first developed in 2007 by HTC, and first mobile came HTC Dream. Now it competes with all other Apple and many other OSs in the world, since it is open languages. Thank you. Next video will come follow soon.